Hey, and welcome to Borsellino Carpentry. So in today's video, I'm doing a quick review of the Saramonic Blink 500 B1. This is a ultra compact 2.4 gigahertz dual channel wireless microphone system with lavalier. So I've got it hooked up right now. I did a unboxing and quick setup video. I'll put a link to that in the description and a card right here, probably up top. So I've got the lavalier mic on here. I did some tests with it. I think it sounds pretty good. It's pretty cool. There's just this lavalier mic with the wire and this little belt clip that hook right in my pocket here. So yeah, this system came with the transmitter, which is what I just showed you. It's clipped on my belt. There's the receiver, which is attached. There's a cord that comes with it. There's two cords that come with it. One is a TRS and one is a TRRS. The TRRS is what I'm using because I'm going into my smartphone, which is a Samsung Galaxy S9. And then what else does it come with? Two charging cables with no bricks, but there's bricks. You know, I got like a brick everywhere in my house. So you can charge those things up pretty easily, and it comes with the wireless mic. It is super easy to hook up. You literally just plug it into the phone and turn them on. You turn on the receiver, you turn on this thing. There's a little power button here. There's a power button there. You hold it for like 1 second and it lights up blue. You know it's on. There's also volume control on the side. So if I turn it down, you'll see the light kind of change color here. And I'm probably... Maybe. Did that shut off my mic completely? We'll find out. Turn the volume back up. It's full volume. Yeah, so I did a test outside in a soccer field, and I'll put that here. All right, so I'm out on a soccer field here. We're going to test out how this works. And right now, I've got this new Saramonic mic here, the wireless doodad. And I got the receiver here. I'm going to put it in my pocket. All right, so I've got the mic on. It's a little windy, not too bad out here, so I don't know if you're catching any wind noise. See how far away I can get before it breaks up. And the other videos I saw, now it's going to start breaking up, especially if I turned around. It's probably going to break up right now. You won't be able to hear it, but who knows. We'll see when we get back to the office what it sounds like. I don't ever plan on recording from this way, so I'm just trying to get an idea of the distance that it will do. I'm pretty far away though. And again, if I turn away, it's probably not going to pick me up. But then when I turn back, maybe it is. Who knows? It's a big wide open area. Hi, Piper. I don't know. And again, you probably can't hear me now, but I'm just going to keep talking and walking, keep talking and walking. Ready? Hi, Piper. All right, so I'm almost to the end of the soccer field. I don't know how far a soccer field is, but here we go. So I'm at the end now. There's a goalpost. And I'm gonna come back. All right, here we go. Piper, come on, go. Yeah. All right. So as you can see, I mean, it worked an entire soccer field distance away. I was pretty impressed by it. I saw some other review videos that it didn't seem to work that well, and I was, like I said, impressed. I was shocked that it worked that far away. So I'm gonna do a test in my house right now too. I'm gonna go out my office door, down the stairs, and through the family room to the back of the house, out the back door, which is outside the kitchen, and I'm gonna go around down the driveway and come back in the front door and back up the house. So I'll do that and see if I cut out or how far I can make it. So here I go. All right, I'm walking out of my office right now and down the stairs and down the stairs. So right now I am basically underneath my office and going through the kitchen, out the back door, and around the side of the house on the driveway, and coming up the front stairs in the front door, and now I'm coming back up the stairs, and you should definitely hear me now. Here we go. All right, so we'll see how that sounds. I'm gonna test that. I'm gonna check out this footage and then I'll come right back. All right, so I am blown away. I just checked out that footage and it worked the entire time all the way around my house. So I'm incredibly happy with this purchase right now. The only thing that I wish I might have done was to buy the package that had 2 transmitters. I only bought 1 transmitter, but I believe you can add on multiple transmitters. So if you're getting any value out of this, please like and subscribe below. And if you subscribe, ring that little notification bell so you can get notifications when I release new videos. I understand this is not carpentry related, but it is a tool review and I do tool reviews. This is part of my system to help me get stuff to you in a better way. And what I really like about this system, there's a lot of things I really like about the system, but it has a built-in microphone on top of the transmitter. So if I unplug this mic, which is connected to the lavalier right here, I still have a microphone, but it doesn't sound as good, I don't think. So it is an option. You could just use this thing clipped on, whatever. But I think this sounds better, don't you? Let me know what you think in the comments. So I'm gonna do a couple test comparisons here between the different mics that I was using in the past and this mic, so you can see what the sound, how much better the sound is. I'll put a clip in before. I was using this MOVO VXR10 mounted to the top of the phone, and it works good. Like it's been working great for me, but there's a lot of echo in the room and stuff, so you'll be able to hear that in this clip, the difference between this and this. So this is a test with the Saramonic Blink 500 right here. This is the lav mic plugged into the wireless transmitter, going to the transmitter into the phone. This is what you're here for. This is what we're testing right now. Sounds pretty good, right? Let me unplug this. So this is a test with just this mic built in, me holding it in front of my face. So this is a test with the built-in mic going to the receiver, into the phone. And this is a test with the MOVO VXR mic, the shotgun mic on top of the stand. This is a test with no microphone, no external microphone. This is just the microphone built into the Samsung Galaxy S9. I don't know if this will work because it's a different connection, but this is the wired mic, the lav mic plugged directly into the phone, not wireless. All right, so if the mic did not work plugged directly in, I have 2 of these little adapters that are TRS to TRRS adapters, which the TRRS is what you need for a smartphone. I have one of those plugged in right now, so this might sound different than the one that I just showed you. Based on this, I am like beyond happy right now. I've tried to do all of these upgrades, spending as little money as possible because this is kind of a hobby. So, so if you are, thinking about buying the Saramonic or thinking about buying the Rode Wireless Go or any other wireless system versus having a wired mic, I would highly recommend it. I think this is going to make my recording process a whole heck of a lot easier. I was also looking at the Rode Wireless Go system, but that was more expensive and did not come with the mic. You had to buy that extra. So this I got for $179 on eBay, brand new, including tax and shipping. The Rode before tax and shipping I think was $200, and then you had to buy another mic on top of that, and the one that they recommend is $80 or something. So I mean, it comes out to be like $300 versus less than $200. So this for me was the way to go. And as you'll see, or as you already saw in the videos, the test videos, I mean, it is incredible. It worked inside the house, outside the house. It never lost connection. And in the soccer field, it cut in and out a little bit, but it never really lost any connection. And I'm never going to use it to those extremes. So yeah, I'm impressed. I don't know what else I could possibly say about it. All right, so check out all my links below, and let me know what you think in the comments about this system, and if you heard any difference in the sound quality of these. And thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.